Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cat scratching posts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SmartCat Pioneer Pet Ultimate Scratching Post. Measuring 32 inches high, this top-of-the-line cat scratching post is the perfect gift for your cat. It is high enough and tough enough to allow your cat to work on his or her nails effectively. Also, made from fibrous, durable sisal, your cat has a strong scratching post that shouldn't wear out too soon. He or she should be able to scratch on it for years. Then the wood base and top adds a nice decor touch to your home. The 16 by 16 inch base makes sure the post remains stable. Assembly is easy and takes only 2 screws to complete the task. Once you place the scratching post in your home, your cat can stretch vertically to make sure they get a good scratching surface to use. In addition to taking care of their nails, your cats can tone their muscles while using this scratching post. The scratching post also keeps your cat from becoming bored while you are at work. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PetFusion 3-sided vertical cat scratching post. When it comes to your cat, having choice is important. Your cat can be finicky, so you need to be careful of the toys you bring home. This 3-sided scratching post should work with your finicky cat, giving him or her enough scratching options to stay in top shape. Plus, the 3 sides are wide, enabling the post to remain stable while your cat works on it. Measuring approximately 18 by 10.5 by 6 inches in size, each side provides your cat with a large scratching surface. With its neutral colors, this cat scratching post should not clash with your home's interior decor. Also, this scratching post is eco-friendly. It is made from recycled cardboard using non-toxic ingredients. This makes its use safe for you cat and the environment. It is also safe to use when you have small children in your house. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Cat Tree. With this cat scratching post, you will be able to provide a safe platform. This gives you the advantage to use it for up to 2 cats. Moreover, the cat scratching post comes in heavy-duty construction. It can be an ideal item to prevent damage to your furniture and carpets. Additionally, this can also be ideal to have playtime and relaxation. It comes with natural fiber that keeps the nails healthy. This has a natural color tone so that it can easily blend with your home decor. Furthermore, it is exceptionally durable and features scratchable pillars. You don't have to worry about any kind of nail damage as it has a rough texture. This is in a multi-level design, and you can place it anywhere. At number 2, we have the PetFusion Ultimate Cat Scratcher. Available in a unique design, this has high-quality construction. The cat scratching post gives you the advantage to choose from 3 different colors. With this, your cats can have an amazing time, as you can even use it as a lounger. Additionally, it offers a natural spot for having healthy claws. Moreover, you can even use it for exercise purposes. It is composed of recycled cardboard and is safe to use. This is in an attractive design and can easily blend with your furniture. Furthermore, it offers them a comfortable spot to have play and rest. It comes in an attractive design that can easily grab the attention of your cats. This comes in a reversible design and provides a large space. And finally, at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics Cat Activity Tree. With this cat scratching post, there can be value for money. This is composed of high-quality MDF and is very durable. The product comes in a large size, and it has a triple platform. Additionally, it can be great to provide ample space for your feline friend. In this, you will find a square-shaped base that offers better stability. Moreover, the product includes all the necessary tools for having an easy assembling. Furthermore, you will also find a round top platform that has a curved top rim. You can easily use it for different purposes and have a better advantage. With it, you will be able to provide a perfect spot for your cats to have easy scratching. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.